To run iOS virtual device, you need to have a Mac. If you don't have a Mac, don't worry, you can run the app on your real device as you've learned in previous lesson. Or if you are using Windows, you can run your app using Android virtual device. So in this lesson, if you have Mac, let's go and add iOS simulator. So inside our App Store, just search for Xcode. This is the Xcode app for building iOS. Now I have here open button because I downloaded it before, but you're gonna get here the get button. So press on it and download the app, and after download it, just open it. You're gonna see something like this. You just need to go to our Xcode up at the left here and go for settings. Then go for components and make sure you've installed the latest iOS version. The latest here is 18.2, maybe later be versions more bigger than this. So please make sure to install this version. You're gonna get a get button here, press on it to install the version. And also go to locations and make sure you've installed the latest command line tools like this. So after this, easily just press here in Xcode and go to our Open Developer tool and select Simulator and press on it. Now this is our iOS simulator, iPhone 16. Now let's go to our code. Now let's go to our first app expo and go to our terminal and just type npm start to run our project. And press I to open iOS simulator. So I to run our app inside the simulator. Look, hello world now appear. I want to tell you something else. What if you have multiple simulators? You can just, instead of pressing on the Metro I to run on iOS simulator, you can just press Shift and I like this. And here you can get the list of simulators that you have on your machine. You have, for example, I have iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's select the Pro Max and press enter to install our app in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now that's our app is running on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look, this is iPhone 16 and this is iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you want to select from multiple devices, I mean iOS devices, just press Shift and I.